these sorts of tools to help drive new thinking, and events like tonight are part of that. How do we help people think differently about the opportunities? There's never been a better time than now. Transition is happening across the board.
Our goal is to help our customers solve problems, create value for their clients, and drive value through the world too. So part of one of our strategies is to make the world a smarter, safer, more autonomous place.
Industry 4.0, and it's time to get digital. The new age is all about the elements which are defining that process, which are nothing but the products and plants, communicating with themselves and to the stakeholders effectively, and that's smart and connected equipment. And truly, this communication is going to change or reshape the way business is happening. If 1% of data is going to change to 50% of data being used effectively, that's going to change a lot of the business scenario. And I'm sure for a lot of us, change is not so easy. And it's also equally important to how we overcome that.
Industry 4.0 means benefit in terms of a more operationally efficient output. They've got data. How do they convert that data into value? I think you have to look at startups, you have to look at academic, you have to look at business people, you have to join them all together. And that's one of the key, I guess, barriers of Industry 4.0 is getting that collaborative group together.
I think it really is about more robust, more efficient processes that improve your productivity in your business. And robustness is something that's really important. So how do you do predictive maintenance? How do you get to processes before they break down?
We've now got a totally automated factory that's remotely operated, or can be remotely operated, and we've also allowed a lot for the future so we can take the opportunities that present themselves.
Dumping data, real-time data, accounts data, old information into what they call data lakes. And they're accessing these data lakes and trying to use artificial intelligence to understand the information they're getting on a commercial basis.
I think there's a couple different hurdles that come into play, both from a connectivity and a platform standpoint. As more and more data is obtained and attempted to be stored, the infrastructure to enable you to do that is going to change exponentially in comparison to what has been done in the past. So ensuring that you have the right partnerships to enable that data to be obtained and stored is going to be critical. And again, from a connectivity standpoint, ensuring that you have the right partnerships to enable you to connect all your equipment is yet another important point. From a commercialization standpoint, it's going to, businesses are not only going to become more efficient, they're going to recognize revenue generating opportunities that they haven't in the past. And I think that's going to drastically change the face of the business and how they go about monetizing existing products and services, or the products and services that they offer in the future. So it's going to, I think there's going to be not only a drastic shift in operational efficiency, but the products we even see created from somebody who may be creating product A now may have something drastically different in the future based on the information that they obtain.